How to use YouTube Music like a pro and get the most of your YouTube Music subscription. If you use YouTube Music and want to make the most of it, you want to consider getting a subscription first. A YouTube Music subscription has many benefits, but you'll want to ensure you're getting your money's worth. You can enjoy all the perks of a YouTube Music Premium whether you're signing up directly for it or as part of YouTube Premium. You can build your own music library. YouTube Music Premium includes offline listening, so add your favorite artists, favorite new albums, and songs to your library for offline access. So that way you can listen to it even when you're not connected to internet. Similarly, you can customize your YouTube Music settings. YouTube Music's default settings likely won't be set to your preferences. You can go into settings and adjust the audio quality, equalizer settings, location preferences, and play history options to your liking. Not all the options on the YouTube Music settings page significantly change your listening experience, so you can look at to which you should adjust and why. You can choose the privacy and location settings, turn off pause location-based recommendations, and such. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.